Hello, welcome guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to how to convert from a degree Celsius to a Fahrenheit. So we all know that one degree Celsius is equal to 3.8 Fahrenheit. So now last video talked about how to convert from gram to kilogram or from kilogram to gram. So degree to Fahrenheit. Hope I got that correct. I know that 1 degree is equal to 3.8 Fahrenheit, and 3.8 Fahrenheit is equal to 1 degree. Goes to 1 degree. So with this ideology, we can create our script. Let me just copy this. It's going to be similar. Bring it down here. Let me bring this guy down. Extend this guy a little bit. So I shouldn't have commented. Okay, what quantity do you want to convert to? Let's say degree let's just leave it Fahrenheit. So let's put this, let me say this guy to D, which stand for degree, FE, which stand for Fahrenheit. So let me clear this. Okay, let me use this guy to explain. So we know that 1 degree is equals to 3.8 Fahrenheit. So how do you get it? So you're going to be, if in case the person wants to convert to Fahrenheit, so how do you do it? Is what the person entered times 3.8. Okay, and we know that 33 Fahrenheit is equals to 1 degree. So how do we achieve that to convert it to 1 degree? Let's assume the user entered 33.8. I know is 1 degree. So it's going to be 33.8. Let's say enter 33.8 divided by 33.8. You get it? 33.8 divided by 33.8 is going to give us 1 degree. This is entered 67. Let's say 33.8 times 2, which is going to be 67 point something. It's still going to give us 2 degree. So I think this should do it. Okay, let me change it. This guy. Okay, let's run and see what quantity do you want to convert to. Let's say I want to convert 1,000. Let's say 15,000. 1, 2, 3. I want to convert it to degree. WAF DEG. As you can see, 15,000 Fahrenheit is equals to 443.79. When you approximate 0.786 or 0.79. So that is Fahrenheit in degree. What if I want to convert from degree to Fahrenheit? Okay, let's see whether this is true. Let's take this again. Okay, what I want to convert it to Fahrenheit. So to Fahrenheit, yeah, FEH. You can see I get back my 15,000, which we got earlier, which is this. So I get it back. So I'll convert it perfectly. So this is a recap of what we did in this video. This code I copied was from the previous video. We collected an input user and we converted it to float because no user can enter point number. So I want to handle anything that has point on it. I created a variable quantity. Let user enter which what to convert to. Is it the degree or to Fahrenheit you want to convert to? Then we'll now here check if it's degree. We're going to divide what the person entered with 33.3, which is the standard for Fahrenheit. If this guy is not, the condition is not true, then this condition is the, let's say the person user entered Fahrenheit. So going to be what the person entered, or is it Fahrenheit? If it's Fahrenheit, what do we do? We're going to, what the user entered, we're going to times it by 33.8. So this is just a basic mathematical understanding. Basic mathematics understand. Once you know what one will give you to the other one, so it's easy for you to just use the division and the multiplication to get the right answer. So just play with it around here and get to understand it more better. Okay, this should be the end of this video. Please, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. You can also like and share with your friends. I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.